This is Bosslady Shruti and today I'm going to be doing my Dubai house tour. Yay! I know I've been doing like, I feel a house tour every 6 months because my last house tour was literally like 6 or 7 months back. But life has taken a turn and hopefully for the better, and I am now in Dubai, and this is the home that we have kind of set up here. So the house is 95% set up. I won't say fully 100% set up because there are still a few things that I would like to get, but I think I am at a point where I do want to share this space with you guys. So I thought might as well film the video right now, because otherwise then the excitement just goes away, you know, and things start getting dirty and then I can't like film. So disclaimer, like I had done last time too when I was doing a house tour, is your girl is not the most organized person on earth, okay? I'm really sorry for anyone out there who wants to have a tiff about that. It's your life, you can lead it the way you want. This is mine, and I decide to be a little messy, and it's okay with me. Okay, all right. Because last time I did, everyone is like, "You call that a house tour? Your place is fucking filthy. I don't know why you would do a house tour." Like, girl, please. No one's got time for that kind of drama. I don't need that kind of shit in my life. So if you want to be that kind of person, well, then the exit button is just for you. Yay! But but for anyone out there who is interested, this is my house in Dubai. Without any further ado, let's go on with the video. Yay! This is kind of what the living room looks like. As we move in here, you have a little, I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like a wardrobe, but basically it has like a spare vacuum cleaner and some of Diva's things. This is just a bag that I carry and I just keep it here as soon as I come home. And these are all of Diva's things kept right here. This is a shoe rack. We have, obviously shoe rack will have shoes, yay, in it. So that is that. And this is the office desk where we kind of edit, work and all of that good stuff. This is where Jason sits. That is my desktop and where I sit. This is a sofa cum bed kind of situation. This pulls out and it becomes like a double bed sort of a place. We wanted to get something like this because I knew that we will have people coming over, for example my parents. Even right now Jason's parents are visiting us, so this is a nice space for anyone who visits us to kind of sleep and comfortable and stuff like that. So that is the living room. I shall take you guys there in a bit. And this is the open kitchen. That is, this open kitchen concept is what I've usually seen in Dubai. This kitchen is the tiniest kitchen in the whole wide world. I feel literally there is no like place to even walk, so that's why I'm like showing it to you from here and not from like inside. But it has literally everything we need, but it has no space to move inside. But we were okay with that because none of us really cook or spend that much time in the kitchen. So we were like, a small kitchen is not that big of a deal for us. But it has like the washing machine over there. This is the cooking range, the chimney, all of the basic shenanigans. And now this is another hallway, and this is what I'm sure a lot of you guys are waiting to see. So this is the ta-da! The beauty room, the vanity room, the closet space. Basically all good things in one room. So as we go, let me show you this. This, if you remember, if you're my OG follower, you know, you guys know that this is where most of my Instagram OTDs happen. And this is like, and yeah, we got this shipped from India. Coming to here, I got 1, 2 and 3. These 3 things I got it from a market in Deira, which is a place in Dubai, which has a second-hand market called Al Knife Street. I'll list it down below in the description box. Literally I got these 2 for 200 dirhams, and I got this and this for 100 dirhams. So yeah, I'm having the good sass face right now. So this is basically where I keep my palettes, my jewelry boxes, my hair stuff, my vanity case, some miscellaneous things which I need to figure out, all of my pouches. This is where I want to keep all my fancy heels. This is another jewelry box. There is a very interesting jewelry cabinet also, which I will show you guys later. This is the Nyx Lip Vault, which is so beautiful. Few of them are missing because few I gave it to Susan, who is Jason's sister, so she has a few. And this basically has all of my, so this has all my lingerie and underwear, which I don't want to show because nobody wants to see that. And this kind of has my loungewear, which is like ghar ka kapda and like gym wear and active wear. So this is kind of where I stock all my jackets and dresses, which basically are clothes that need like hanging space, because I only have this much. I mean, I'm saying only, but this is quite a lot of space, but I'll show you exactly what's there inside. But the reason why I chose to kind of hang these like this is because every time after I wear an outfit, I kind of grab towards a jacket or like a scarf or overthrow or something of that sort to kind of finish my outfit. So like belts and some scarves and like a hat or something like that. So I always thought that that's best if it's like kept out and for me to kind of try on, throw in, and you know, kind of experiment. So that's why this is kept here. This is kind of my closet space with extra space there. That's where we've stored all of our suitcases and stuff. But I'll give you a glimpse of what this looks like. So this is what this looks like, and I have a way of organizing things. So basically these are all my jeans, these are all kind of my like short frilly girly tops, these are my short dresses, my long dresses, a few rompers, these are full of a little more of my colorful tops, and these are like winter wear because I won't like need them that often. This is where I have all of my Indian outfits, because Indian outfits I don't like need it every day, but they definitely need more of hanging space. So that's why I have like kind of stored them here like this. That's where all my bags are. I know this is messy, so nahi dikhenge hum. And these are my shorts and my skirts and stuff like that. And niche here are a few more of my like those daily Indian wear sort of kurtis and salwars and those kind of situations, and that's where that goes. Next up here is tada. So this is tada and this is tada. I know that this room has too many mirrors, but girl, I'm all about that life. I'm all about that mirror life. Okay. So this is kind of, this is supposed to be like a vanity mirror, chest of drawers kind of thing. So this has all my hair and my electronics. It has my camera stuff and accessories, and yeah, just miscellaneous cables and all of that. And as you can see, this hairdryer is here. All of my hair tools are here. So it is just easier for me to kind of work when I am in front of the mirror. Hey! Then this, my loves, is the setup. Yay! So this is kind of the table that I am using currently to film. This also I got from that Deira market. This and this, both are from that Deira market. This one I got for about, this one also was 200 dirhams. This was 120 dirhams. And like I said, this one was, this plus this was 100 dirhams. So, yay! Anyways, so this, from what I see, I feel it's like a showroom piece, you know, jahan pe you go and you're like, bhai sahab ye wala dikhana, वो वाला नहीं, बाजू वाला जो है ना, वो earring वो दिखाना. So I feel like this was kind of, this is like I said, it's a second hand piece. It was just kind of like repainted, so that way it looks nice. Also, I might have to say, I painted that and this. So anyways, This is that, and I really like this when I saw this, is because I'm like, all my daily wear you know, foundations, concealers and all of that, I can keep it right here so that it's easier for me to kind of work through it. And things that require, I know that I will not use it like kind of every day, but I will reach out for like special occasions or only for shooting and stuff like that, I have it over here and in these. So this is something that I had in India too. This has a way in which I have organized, I guess only I know, so I'll take you through it. This has all of my primers, lipsticks, mascaras, concealers, eyebrow stuff, tweezers and eyelash curlers, and these are lip glosses. These are all my pot eyeliners, and this whole is only lipsticks. So this is nude, this is kind of like in the pinky zone. This is all your bold red and dark lipsticks, and this is the Suna Sa lip balm counter. And this is also, like I said, I got it from the Deira market, and this is where I store all of my makeup. Like one is concealers and foundations, one is highlighters and eye stuff, and just kind of segregated according to, you know, what area of the face they cater to. And yeah, that's this room. The bedroom. So this is the bed. This was the same bed that we had in India as well. We shipped this here to Dubai because A, we are really tall people and we need like a lot of bed space, and second, we had spent a lot of money customizing this bed and we ain't about to lose that. Alright, so I know everyone's like, why would you get a bed here? There are so many nice places, you get so many nice beds. But we wanted this bed, so we got this bed shipped. This is kind of where Jason stores all of his things. I don't think he'll be very comfortable me showing you it, so I'm just going to show you बाहर से. देखो जी, यहाँ पे भाई साहब अपना चीज़ें रखते हैं. So that's that. These are things actually because, like I said, his dad is visiting us right now, so these are like his things lying here. And guys, this is the best thing I had laid my eyes on up until now, and you will know why. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? I know it didn't rhyme, but hey, who cares? So this, I got it from here, from this website called soooo.com, which is kind of like their equivalent of Amazon. I will link from where I got this. I think you also get this somewhere in India also, but I don't know where you can get it in India. I'll definitely link the place that I got this from personally. So this is where all my earrings are, like the fancy ones. I'm a ring junkie, so this is, I was very sold when I saw that there's a specific area for my rings only to go. And these are all my necklaces. Here also more necklaces, and a few sunglasses and rings. And these drawers actually have things that need fixing, so I've just put those miscellaneous things in that. And light bhi aata hai. Wow. Wow, wow. So when I saw this, I was just like, I want it right now. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. It's just a little flimsy, to be honest. Like it's not like the most durable, and but it was like less than 200 dirhams. So yeah, it's good if you take care of it, but if you're if you're very rough-handed, then this might not work for you. But it was just a nice way to organize everything that I had. So yeah, this to me is bae. This is the bathroom, which is kind of a little boring, but if you're interested, this is just the bathroom. Hey, the good thing though, yes, We have a bathtub in the house, so honestly, I'm sure everyone who has a bathtub in the house will tell you ki when you see the place, you're like, yeah, I can like, you know, enjoy this anytime I like because it's in the house now. But you never end up doing that. You never end up enjoying this. But I hope to soon. And yeah, this is just what the situation looks like. A small bathroom though, I won't deny it. And now, so this, my friends, is the balcony. This honestly is like the biggest balcony that I have seen in my entire life, because in Mumbai you don't really get spaces that have a balcony. Like balcony will be like from here till here max. Even in my Thane home it's like just till that. But when I saw this, I mean honestly, when I saw this place and I saw this balcony, this is what completely sold me, and I told Jason like, let's just get this place. So yeah, this is a couch that we've put up here. I do want a swing, because if you all know me, you all know that I'm a swing kind of girl, and I definitely want a swing here because there's so much space. But that will happen soon. This is the crate that Diva came in, for all you guys who are curious. It's a pretty massive ass crate. So this is where she was, as you can see, her photograph is here, all her information is here, furry flyers, like I said. They took really good care of her. Contact them if you are in the need. And yeah, so this is just here for now. And just to give you an idea of how spacious this balcony is, like, oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see exactly the view from here. I'll try and insert a clip of how it looks like in the night, so you guys have a better idea of the landscape and the view, because it's too bright right now, and it's not even like fully summer. But yeah, this is a pretty, we are on the 9th floor, so this is a pretty good view actually. So yes, that is my home in Dubai. I'm sorry I had to film the intro outro again, so that is why I'm not in the same clothes as the rest of the video. But that's because the audio in my intro outro was very bad because of the noise that was coming in from outside. Hopefully this audio is better. And yeah, I'm so excited to be in Dubai. It's a new experience. It's everything new, but it's so exciting, and I hope that I have your support. And I really want to thank you guys so much for all the support that you have showered on me and Jason and my little diva up until now. So I hope that you will continue to do so even henceforth. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions as to how I could organize things in my room or something, please do let me know. See, I don't have a problem with people giving suggestions. I mean, this community that we have built together, I don't say it is my community, like community is built with, you know, people together. So this community that I am trying to build and we have built together up until now is for people to grow and get better and to kind of help each other. And if you cannot take that back from this space, I don't think you're utilizing it properly. If you have any suggestions, advice, etc. as to how I could maybe utilize the space better, please do let me know. But like just hate comments as, ew, your places are dirty, I mean, that is not constructive in any way. So yes, that is what I wanted to say. And definitely a lot more exciting makeup related content coming up next, but I just thought that this is something that you guys would want to see right now, so I thought I'll film this right now. But next week onwards is going to be makeup and fashion and all that good stuff. So until next time, like I always say, keep it bossy.